Easy lunch under $10. We're gonna grab an Italian loaf bread for $1.47, pizza sauce for $1.27, sliced mozzarella for $1.67, one green bell pepper for 86 cents, a can of sliced mushrooms for $1.34, and a bag of pepperonis for $2.37. All right, that was our Italian loaf that we just cut right in half. Now I have my pizza sauce, and we are going to pour our pizza sauce on there. You can add as much or as little as you like. I'm gonna start with that, and we can always add more. I have my spatula, and we are just gonna spread that all over our Italian loaf. That Italian loaf was super affordable, only $1.50, and look how much bread we get with that. I think we need a little bit more sauce because I like my pizza sauce, and we're just gonna put that on right there. Spread it on, and you can make your own pizza sauce if you prefer. You can make your own bread if you prefer, but we wanted to keep this nice and affordable. Next, we have our sliced mozzarella. Now you could do a block of mozzarella and grate it yourself. You could get the already shredded mozzarella. You could do a Parmesan, a provolone, but we are just adding our slices right on top of our pizza sauce. And this is gonna be just an extra cheesy, extra delicious lunch. I love cheese, so we are gonna use this whole package of cheese, but just like with the sauce, you can adjust to your liking. If you don't like as much cheese as me, just use less slices, but I think this is gonna be delicious, and who doesn't love cheese on bread? I mean, if you don't love cheese on bread, then I don't know if we can be friends. So let's go ahead and finish up using our 12 slices. I love when it's 12 and not 11, because why would a pack of cheese come with 11 slices? All right, for protein, we have our pepperoni. I know you guys can guess what I'm doing now, but we're making this extra fun, extra delicious. We are gonna add our pepperoni on top of here. You could do whatever protein you like. I just loved how cheap these little pepperonis were, but I think you could get like a rotisserie chicken and shred it on there with like some barbecue sauce. You could do whatever you want. The options are endless. Or you could just keep it simple with just making a cheese pizza loaf. So we're just gonna add about that many pepperonis because we still have our canned mushrooms. And I'm just gonna use my fingers because my hands are washed. And we're gonna place our mushrooms all over. If you don't like mushrooms, you could do an olive. They're about the same price and just as good. I personally actually like olives more, but my husband doesn't like olives, so that's why we are doing the mushrooms instead. But yeah, you can customize, make one half, just cheese pizza, one half just pepperoni, and then the other half supreme. You could do a meat lovers. The options are honestly endless, and that's kind of how it is with pizzas, but this one's gonna be just so yummy, and that fluffy Italian bread just really elevates the entire dish. All right, lastly, I have that green pepper, and I just cut it into little pieces. You could do an onion if you don't like green peppers. You could do a red bell pepper, but I think green peppers are the pepper to go on this pizza. So we're just going to kind of evenly distribute it. I don't even know if I'll use all of these. I just cut it all up so that it would be ready for whatever I'm making, which is what I like to do. You can even buy already pre-cut bell peppers these days. Everything is so accessible. So that's really great. All right, I think that looks good. It's colorful, we have veggies, we have protein, we have cheese, carbs, okay. My oven is set to 400, and this is gonna be in there for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, our pizza lunch is out of the oven. It smells absolutely incredible. That cheese is perfectly browned. It is time to give this a try. I have my little cutting mat here. I'm just going to pick one side up super quick, just like so. All right, and now we're gonna use our pizza rocker to cut our slices. Oh, that bread is nice and crispy. Ho-ho. I'm gonna grab that piece right there. It's calling my name. It's time to give this a try.